So that would simplify to x2 is equal to negative 1.541666. So we just keep going until we get x3 very close to this, x4 very close to that. When we get something very close, then we know we're done. Or if it tells us how many iterations to use, but this one doesn't. So x3 will be equal to negative 1.541666 minus f of negative 1.541666 divided by f prime of negative 1.541666. So if we go to the calculator, x3 is equal to negative 1.541666. Now we need to figure out what these values are. So if I come here, turn the calculator on. I've already got the functions put in here. So if you look, I entered them in. The first one is the original function, and then the second one is the derivative. So if I want to find f of this number, I'm going to hit second calc, and I want the value, so I hit number 1, and I'm going to put in negative 1.541666. So that gives me, let's see, negative 2.4, let's see, let me just take a picture of that and import it, and then let's go and find the second one. So I'm going to turn this one off so I don't have to mess with which one is which. Turn that one on, second calc value, and put that same number in. So it graphed the derivative. Now it says x at the bottom, so negative 1.541666. Give that value, take a picture of that one. Alright, so then we can go back to this and bring in that picture, this one. Just put it down here because all I need is the number. And this, oops, oh gosh, I can't move. Alright, well we've got the value. So x3 is going to be equal to negative 1.541666 minus, the first value was negative 2.461751, sorry. And then divided by, the second value was 13.730456. Okay, so now we'll just put those numbers in the calculator. We'll get, so minus 1.541666 minus negative 2.461742, and then that's divided by 13.730456. Great. Alright, so that's negative 1.36, negative 1.36237 5,378. So then we would do that again. That same process, we would say x4 is equal to negative 1.362375378, and the more places the more accurate, so minus f of that number. Now that it's in the calculator, it's pretty easy for you to get that, divided by f prime of 1.3623 minus 75378, which gives you x4 is equal to negative 1.334007, and if you did it again, you get x5 is equal to negative 1.33333. Well, these digits right here are the same. So it looks to me like the root is going to minus 1.3333, which is negative 4/3. So now if you look at the graph, you can see that it corresponds with the graph. Alright, so ordinarily what we're going to get is an approximation using Newton's method, but in this case, because it was negative 1.333, and if you had done it again, you'd see that it just comes out to that. We got the exact zero. So if you plug in f of negative 4/3, you get that it's equal to 0. F of 4/3 would be equal to 0. So in fact, this is the exact 0, not an approximation. Okay. We have a couple more of these. The next one we'll do on the calculator.